Guys, this is Sahil from alphabetazone.com, and in this video I will show you how to enable the data saving mode on your Instagram app. So if you want to enable a data saving mode on your Instagram app, you need to follow these steps in order to activate this. So first you need to open your Instagram profile, and here you can see that our profile will be open. Now we need to click on the three-line icon at the top right corner of the screen, and here you need to select the setting option. Now you can see that our setting option will be open. Here lots of option will be given, and you need to select the account option. Under account option also lots of option will be given, and here you need to scroll down and select the cellular data mode. So here you can see that cellular data setting will be open. If you toggle off this feature, now the videos on Instagram will not automatically played or load, and it will help you to reduce your data uses. I hope this guide was helpful and you will be able to save data on your Instagram app. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel and visit our website alphabetazone.com.